Hi guys, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me here on my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I made this mini pocket album it's just somewhere so I could store some of my blank tags, and it's just another way to just keep them together, so whenever I need to use my tags I can just have a look in my pocket album here that I made and then just grab what I need. So it's a very easy project again to create. It only uses one sheet of 12 by 12 paper. So I am going to do a tutorial on how you could make one of these as well, but it will be in another video, so that will be a part 2 video to this one here. So this video I'll just show you the inside and how it looks like, and then I'll do a part 2 with the easy tutorial for you. So the album measures 3 inches by 5 inches, and so this is my front cover. It's not too bulky, as you can see, even though I have put a few tags in here. Again, I'm sorry, it's my little dog. Again, every time I do a video he's always barking. Yes, so this is the altered peg that I made the other day. I just use that to hold the book together. So this is the inside. So you have a double pocket, and these are some of the tags that I've got in there. These are my blank tags, and that's just a die set that I have that I purchased online. It's one of my favourite tag shaped dies. And these are some more tags, and these tags I use the envelope punch board to create the tag look on the top. So I've got some of those in there if I need it. There is then a top pocket up here where I've got some longer tags. Again, I use the envelope punch board to create the tag look. So they go up here. So there's a lot of pockets in here for you to store your tags. The album is also a good album for as a flip book if you want to send off as Happy Mail, or to make as a mini photo album with pockets, or a junk journal album. So really you can use this album for anything. And this is the next page. Again, another double pocket with some more of my tags. These are just the smaller size ones that I put in there. Then I just embellished the front of the pockets as well. And I just kept it using just plain white cardstock, and then just use some washi tape to decorate it, and again just embellishing the pages. And here's some more tags. These tags are also from another die set that I have, and it creates a decorative edge on the bottom of your tags. That's another one. It's got like a banner look to the tag. And then it has a side pocket here, and in here I've just made some file tab cards that I can embellish later on, and I use the envelope punch board also to make the file tab. I have a tutorial on how you can do these tab using the envelope punch board. I'll put the link down below for you if you wanted to have a look and see how it's made. So they go in there. Then the next page is just a plain double page, which I just embellished using some journaling cards, and then I just die cut the journaling cards with my banner die that I have. So that's just an embellished page with some washi as well. And up the top here I've got another pocket, and I'll put some longer tags in there, and this is just a decorative die that I've got. And then when I need to use it, I'll just punch a hole if I need to use it for a tag to add some trim. So they go up here. Again, it's a very easy book to make. And then this is your last page in here, and I've just added 2 of my envelope and from an envelope die, that one of my favourite envelope dies that I have, which I don't have the die to show you. But what I've done here is I'll just take these little tags out. I just cut off the top flap of the envelope then just to create the pockets. So that's what I've done with that. So I've made 2 of those little envelopes here and just cut the top, and then these are again some more little tiny tags that I've got and I can use them whenever I need them, so they just get kept in there. And this is another envelope on the last page that stores some more tags, but they're just more longer tag. And this is from another again a die set that I've purchased online. And I made this envelope also using the envelope punch board. This is, I cut the paper at 4 by 4 to make the envelope. I can't remember what size I did to punch out the part to make this size, and then I just cut off the top bit of the flap of the envelope just so I can create an open pocket. So that's that pocket, and that's just your last page. I just kept that blank. So yes, so this is my little pocket album to store my blank tags. So yeah, so I will show you how you can make one of these as well on my part 2 of my video. One of my secrets has just came out. Yeah, so I'll do a tutorial for you if you wanted to create one of these. So yes, I'll do that in my next video. Another thing I wanted to show you was these Glassine bags. I don't know, like most of you might already know that I come from Sydney, Australia, and I do find it very hard to find these Glassine bags here. So if any of my subscribers are from Australia and you know where we can get them here, please leave a comment down below so I could purchase some, because I do love these Glassine bags. But these ones here were, I was lucky enough, they were gifted to me by a dear friend of mine who's from Canada, and that's Tina, and she's Mrs. Everly here on YouTube and also on Instagram. So hi Tina, and thank you very much for these Glassine bags. Look at these little cute tiny ones. I just love them. So I couldn't find them, so I decided to make my own version of it. It's not quite the same because I do know that the Glassine bags have a waxy texture to it, whereas the ones that I've made here just use like parchment paper. I think that's what you may call it in the US. Here in Sydney we call it baking paper, which is this one here. I just got it from my local supermarket. It's like a non-stick baking paper or grease paper. So I've just managed to make a few of my own little ones here, and I use this die that I've got. Purchased that online. It was a little bit hard for me to find the score line on the paper, but I managed to make a few. So this will be great for me to add some goodies in when I want to send off for Happy Mail. So I just want to share with you that little bit as well. So stay tuned for part 2 if you wanted to see the tutorial on how I made this album. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you're not a subscriber of mine. Like the video and click on the bell for the notifications so you get to see more of my crafting videos. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye for now.